Hello there, my name is Sicholia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this COVID-19 update slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Well, without that said, let's begin. So we will click here on new, and then we select a blank, and then from blank I'm going to click here on design, and then from the design I'll come here to slide, and then I'll click on custom slide. Now I have already selected mine A4, so I'm just showing you where you are going to make it A4 or to choose custom design. Okay, so I'll click here, then from there I'll right click on this part, and then I'll click format the background. Then from the background I'll come here and select the color of my background. Let's say I want it this way, so our color will be like that. You are free to choose anything you want. Like for example, you can come here to pattern, then you select the pattern, or the picture, you can select the picture you want. Okay, but for me I need a solid color like that. Now the first thing we need to do is to create these parts here. Okay, this part. So I'll click here, and then I'll insert, click on insert, then I'm going to click on shapes. Then from shapes I'm going to select on this shape, and then I'm going to drag it here like so, and then from here I'll also click here, and then I edit point. Okay, so once I edit point, I'll bring this one here to the corner, and then I'm going also to bring this one here, let's say like that. Okay, or else we right click again, we edit point, then I'm going to bring this one down a bit like so, and then this one like this. Okay, let me edit the point again. I need to bring this one down, and this one should come here like so. Okay, now once we have done this one, we are going again to insert another shape. So click here, and then I'm going to select a shape here. Where is this shape? This is the shape, and then I'm going to select it like so. You see how it is simple like that. Okay, and then I'm going to drag this one a bit like that. Okay, now I'm going to select both of them, and then I'm going to click on format, or if you don't want to click on format, and then you click here on shape, and then we are going to select a red one. As you can see, we have some outline, so we click here, we remove the outline. Okay, and then I'm going to push this one a bit like so. Now we have created our shape. First, as you can see here, this color is different from this one, so I'm going to click on this one, format, and then I'll come here to more shapes. From more shapes we are going to bring this one down a bit like so, so it can come it bring like we have a 3D there. Okay, so after that I'm going to Control G on my keyboard to group. Okay, and then I'll shift to copy like so, shift again to copy. I mean control, you will control and shift to copy like that. Again control and shift, copy, control shift to copy like that. Now we have populated this one the same. Okay, so I'm going to select all of them, and then I'll come here to format. From format we need to align, distribute vertically like that, so that the space within here will be the same. Okay, now the space looks the same. Now we are going to change this one, the color of this one, we are going to give it this color, and remember we are going also to work on this other part. Okay, so I'm going to ungroup this one, click ungroup, and then I'm going to click on this, and then I'll come here to shape fill, then I'll click on more fill, and then I'm going to bring this one a bit down like that. You can see. Then this one should remain like that. And then we are going to change this one. We will create another color. Let's say we want this. Let's take this light. I'll right click on it, and then I'll ungroup, click on this one, double click on it, then come here, more colors, and then I'm going to drag this point down like that, right? And then I'm going to select this one, right click, group, and then I'll click on ungroup. You remember this, we ungrouped this one but we didn't group it back, so we need to group it. Okay, and then this one we are going to right click, group, we ungroup, and then we are going to make this one gray. Let's say there, and then we are going to double click on this part, click here, more colors, and then we are going to bring this one a bit down like this, and we click OK. Then again we group it. Okay, so we are going to group it, a group like that. Alright, now once we have created this one, we need now to put our text inside here. Okay, fine. So we will click on this text box, and then I'm going to click here like so, and then I'm going to type here new cases. So we are going to type here, I don't know where our, okay, I'm clicking here again, and then I'll type here, and I'll type new cases like so, and then I'll control A. I'll look for a good font, T W, yeah, it's the one, TCNMT. So I'm choosing that, then I'll click on bold like so, and then I'm going to drag this one a bit to resize it. Then I'll bring here in the middle, then I will change the color of my text to be white like so, and then I'm going to click on control so that I can copy this one again like so, and then I'm going to control A, then I'll type the number 78,15,6. okay, that's the new, those are new cases now for COVID-19. And then once I've done that, I'm going to select all of this, and then I'll click on control on my keyboard, and then I'll bring this one down here like so, and then let me reference sample size. So we will come here and type here sample size like so. Then I'm going to enlarge this one a bit like that, and then let's check the number. We just put any number. Okay, you can just put any number, we are learning. Okay, so I'm going to edit this one, put here 9, and then of course we are going to reduce it like that. Okay, again I'll do the same. I'll select all of this, control and then shift on my keyboard, and then I'll drag so that it can be on the same line like so, and then I will reference here positive rate. So we'll write here positivity rate, then I'll drag this one. Let me reference, it is positivity rate, yes, positivity rate. Then we will put here, let's say positivity rate, we are going to put it 70%, like that. Again we are going to do the same. I'm going to drag here, select both of these, control shift on my keyboard, and then I'm going to bring this one down like that, and then I'll reference recoveries. So we are going to type here recoveries, and then we will just put any fictional number here. Let's say how many people recover. Let's say 2300, like that. We should put more, not 2300, 360, like that. And then the same thing, we are going to copy this again. Control Shift on the keyboard, and then we are going to drag this one down like that. Let me reference recorded dead. So we will type here recorded dead. Yes, recorded dead. So how many we can put here? Less number, let's say 2000, like that. Right, now I've finished this part. Okay, this part is done, so we are going to the next part. In fact, I'm going to select all of this and then I'll drag it down a bit. Let's say here. Okay, there is okay. And then we are going to create another part, this logo and COVID-19 update. So I'm going to copy the logo and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, the logo will come here, and then I'm going to reduce it a bit so that it can look very nice. Now this part, now I don't know if my logo is in the middle or it is somewhere else. So what I normally do, I'll come here and say view and then view guidelines. Exactly, it is in the middle. Yeah, let me just adjust a bit like that. And then we will now come here, home, and then we click on the text, and then I'm going to drag it like this, and then I will type COVID-19 update. Okay, then I'm going to Control A to select all of them, and then I'll make it bold. I'll select my font, and then I'm going to increase the font size. It is now in 18. Let's do something like let's do 36, and then I'm going to drag this one like so. Then I'll bring this one in the middle like that, and then we are going to select also this one with center. Click here to center it. Right, now from here I'm going to select this part here, and then I'll give a different color. Yes, let's put this yellow. That way is okay. Right, now we are done with that part, so we need to click we need to create another part down here. So I'm also going to come here, insert, or I'll just insert from here. Then I'll select this shape, then I'm going to drag it like this, like so, and then I need to make, yeah, this way. I need to resize it with this part. Okay, and then I'm going to use this color. Okay, this color here. So I'm going to format, and then the shape color, I'm going to select this eyedropper, and then I'm going to select this one. That is the color. And then the shape outline, I'm going to make it none. Right, now once we have done that, I'm going to Control and Shift on my keyboard. We need to resize this one. No, we didn't copy, so Control on the keyboard and then Shift. I think that way is okay, but it has to be on top. Again, we are going to select both of these, and then I'll Control on my keyboard, and then I'll select it like that, and then I'm going to click on this one, Control my keyboard, this one has to be somewhere here like that. Why? Okay, I didn't copy it, so control, like that. So I'm going to adjust this one like that. It's okay now. So from here we click on this one, click on format, eyedropper, and then we select this color like that. Also we click on this one, or maybe we just need to select the same color. Okay, so let me do from this one, right click, eyedropper, select this one, click this one, select here, eyedropper, we select this one. Then this one we are also going to click here, eyedropper, we make it red. Okay, and then click again here to shape, eyedropper, we select this one. Also here again, eyedropper, and then we select this one. No, it's not that one. It has to be like that. No, this one has to be red. What have I done? Select this one, eyedropper, we select this one, then we come here, click here, eyedropper, click here on this one here, down here, then here eyedropper, and then we select this color like that. Okay, so we are almost going there. So let me reference. The first one is cumulative test, and then total confirmed cases. So we will click here on shape tool, text tool I mean, and then we click, type the word cumulative, test, control, and then we make it bold, we select, and then I'm going to drag this one down here, I mean in the middle, like so, and then I'll change the color to be white like that. Okay, and then the number is, we can just forge a number. So I'm going to click here, click on this one, and then I'm going to copy, bring it down here, and then I'm going just to fake any number. Let's say that's the number. Okay, and then what I will do to make my life easy, I'm just going to click here, select both of these, and then I'm going to click on control on my keyboard and shift, like that, control again, like that, control again, like that, control again, and shift, like this. So those are just fake numbers. Okay, you are going, when you are given a task, you are going just to follow what the client has told you to do. Okay, I'm just doing this because I'm trying to show you how you can achieve this one, or how you can create this such a thing, okay, using Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let me reference total confirmed cases. So we will come here and type this one, total confirmed cases. Then I'm going to drag this part so it can fit there. Okay, and then also we are going to make this one to be in the middle, and then let me reference total hospitalized. So click again, total hospitalized. I don't think if okay, there is an I here. Okay, Okay, let me reference again. Total recoveries. So we will click here, total recoveries, like so. And then the downer part is cumulative fatalities. Let me just cheat by copying this part here. Okay, right, and then now we are going to change here. We will change this one, put this one 8. We can change all of this. We make here 6. We change all of this, we make it 9. We change all of this, 0.5, like that. Okay, now we have achieved that one. Okay, so there is another thing I want us to create again. So I'll click here on this rectangle, and then I'm going to click here until when it is gone to the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to click here on format, shape outline. I'll click on no outline. Okay, and then this one I'll right click, then say format, and then I'll come here to transparency. I'll reduce it. I think this 60 is okay. And then I'm going to Control Shift, then I'll bring it here. I'll do the same. I'll also do the same. Control Shift, bring it down like this, and also I'm going to Control Shift, Control Shift. Now there is some issue somewhere here. I'm going to show you. As you can see, this one and this one, they are not the same. They are not in the same line. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to click here, and then I'll select all of this like so, and then we are going to bring it like that. They are now in the same line. And then this one we are going to, this one is supposed to be here like so. Also this one is supposed to be here. Even this one is aligned very well. Okay, like that. Let me align these ones like so. Well, fine. I think by now we have created everything. So the remaining thing is I'll click here on this text tool, and then I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to type here Echolia design. Okay, and then I'll look for different fonts. Let me look for a better font. Let's use this Alex brush. Yeah, let's use this one, and then I'll change the color to be white. Okay, and then I'm going to reduce this one. Let me just put it here. I think that one is okay. And then I'm going to copy this one, this text, copy, and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so this one, I think this one, Echolia design, should come here at the corner, and then this one we should put this one. Control A. I'm going to reduce the size like so. Like this is okay, and then I'll put it here. Let's put it here like that. Now we are done. So there is one thing we need to do. That thing is, I'm going to select all of this and then I'll Control G on my keyboard. Also this one, let me select this one very well. Control G on your keyboard to group. Control G, Control G, then Control G on your keyboard. The same thing I'm going to select on this other side. This one I'll Control G, I'll leave this one alone. Control G. Now we are trying to align everything well. Control G. Also I'm going to select this one. Control G, Control G. Now this one I'll click here, then I'll click on this one, click on this one, click, and then I'll arrange, and then I'll say send backward. Arrange, send back, like that, so that our text can be on front. Now our text is on front. Fine. Now let's continue. So the first thing now we need to do is to animate. We need now to animate all of these things so that it can look very nice. Okay, so I can see, let me click here, animation. So it seems I'm going to delete that one, because you remember we copied this logo from here, so it appeared with the animation. I just want to show you everything from the beginning. So let me remove this guideline first. Now let's continue. So from here I'm going to click on animation. Okay, I don't know why my animation, okay, it's like this. So we click there to show animation. So from here I'm going to click here, add animation, and then this one we are clicking here on fly in. Okay, now we don't want it to fly from down, we want it to fly from top. So just to fly from top like that. Okay, and then here we reduce here to be 25, and then on a click, that one is on a click, and then we will come here again, we add animation, and then here we click on fly in, and then this one also we need it on top. Okay, on top like that, and then here we will reduce 25, and then we will click here with previous. Okay, you see it now. Then we will come on this side, add animation, fly in, and then this one we will select from left like that. Okay, we reduce here, and then this one with the previous, because they have to continue like that. Okay, and then from here we will click on this part here now, and then we add animation, fly in, and then this one from left. Okay, not from right, from right, sorry, it has to come from right. Okay, and then also we are going to click on this one. Now once already I've done this one, okay, so what I'll have to do, I'll click on this one, I'll click on this part, and then I'll select animation painter. Okay, and then I'll come and click on this part, so it will just copy what I've already done, and then it will bring it there. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm going to click on this one, and then animation painter, I'll click on this one, then I'll come click here, click on this one, animation painter, then I'll click on this one, then I'll click on this one, animation painter, I'll click on this one like that, then I'll come here, copy, then I'll paste it here, then come on this one, animation, then I paste it on it, then I'll click on this one also, animation, then I'll paste on this one like that, then I'll click here, animation painter, click on this one, then I'll come click on this one, animation, then I'll paste on this one, and then I'll click on this one, animation painter, paste on this one. Then I'll come and click on this animation painter, click on this one, and then the next thing is this side. So I'll click on this animation painter, paint it here. We click on this wordings, animation painter, then we paint on this one like that. We are okay. Now this one I'm going to add animation, and then this one it has to appear, okay, and then we say with previous. Okay, now let's try to slideshow and see what we have created. Okay, so I'll come here on slideshow, then I'll say from the beginning. Okay, once I click on my keyboard, I click again, you see what is going to happen. Okay, 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 fine. That's what we have created, guys. In the next video, maybe if you want, I'll create the same thing and then we will make it automatic, whereby when we click it all appear once. Okay, like the way I did on this one. Let me show you from this one. Okay, we are still on the same, so let me just click here, and then I'm going to I had already hidden this one, so let me hide this one now. So let's use this one from the beginning. You see, they are supposed to come like that at once, right? Okay, that's makes the end of this tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please guys, consider subscribing, share it, give it a thumbs up, and then if you have anything else you need me to create, well, just write on the comment and then I will see what to do. Thanks, bye.